Hello, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For our latest vlog, all about May Mendoza's 30th birthday. 3 decades na. 3 ages ka pa. Yeah. Pa-subscribe na to our YouTube channel. Gusto mag-like, shares, comments, and views at abutin ng 500 ay support natin sa ating social media account. Latest vlog po natin today ay 316. In episode 316 tayo main at 30. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin panoorin ang highlights. Okay, dahil bukas, Women's Day na, or Women's Month Day na bukas, March 8. But, before that, sa karawan ni May Mendoza, awan naman natin sa advance birthday, last Saturday, last week, March 1, sa ginanap ng advance birthday ni May para sa kanilang own special talk show or talk segment ng Itbulaga on her birthday of May Mendoza. And title, The Talk Show! With Jose, Wally, and Paolo as Jojo Ayman, may Boy Abunda pa, at kamukha ni May Mendoza. All about May Mendoza kasi sa The Talk Show. Like, first, the most, and the best. Yung si May, yung first concert, yan ay the script or co-play. Co-play. And, yung pinaka-first talaga, yung first award, yung namanggap ng college graduate ni May sa CSB. Para loyalty awards kasi dati. And, the most embarrassing moment is nahulog si May sa commercial in Itbulaga nung nasa pandemic. At na yun, celebrate ng 30th birthday with the other family members, friends from the showbiz, and other school friends. Ang greet the happy birthday. Plus, ang asawa ni May Mendoza na si Ajo Atara with flowers and birthday cake. Yung birthday gift, okay naman. And of course, happy birthday and belated. Last Monday sa ating actual birthday sa Itbulaga, last March 3. Sa niyang 30th birthday. Happy birthday. And finally, may pa-trivia. Si May na kumakain ng street food like isaw. Isaw, favorite ni May guy. Sa 30th birthday. Sorry. 30th birthday ni May. Sana yon, May Mendoza, Curdy in Los Angeles, California para sa NBA games of LA Lakers. And nanonood lang and visit in the MIFF Manila International Film Fest with Aja Thailand as the husband of Mengay for the entry top pack. Congratulations to all the entries sa ating MIFF 2025. Hope to see you next time sa ating another edition ng ating. Pero na yung awarding ceremony, sino kayo mananalo? But first, belated happy birthday and 30th birthday May Mendoza. Salamat sa panonood. See you on Sunday para sa post Women's Day. Tomorrow is Women's Day. See you. Bye. God bless.